You got there, Jill?
I got a mother plucker.
What? Oh, we're gonna have to find out. Just hold on. Stay tuned and we'll show you what we got. What? What do you think it is, Jill?
Is it like a washing machine?
Sort of.
Sort of?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sort of like that, yeah.
What do you mean?
I mean,
Oh, I got nipples.
yeah. It's for washing chickens.
Washing chickens?
Yeah.
Those dirty birds.
Yeah. I know.
Ooh, look at that. Oh, they're all rubberized.
All right, watch out.
Oh, I was having fun.
I got the hammer.
Uh-oh. He has a hammer. He means business now.
Oh yeah, I mean it's packaged like the shitty materials, but you can't get it apart. Roll it on out here.
Yay!
Oh!
Hear the angel singing.
You know, one of the biggest problems when we were butchering chickens in the past was plucking. We hated plucking. But I promised Jill that when we got doing this again, I promised her a plucker. And now she's gonna be a mother plucker.
Ha!
Yeah.
Out of it.
So we'll get this unwrapped and we'll come back and show it to you.
Yay!
It's gonna be what's normal. As long as it works, that's all that matters.
Yeah. Well, we got it unboxed from all the shipping stuff they had with it. There is a few dents, but you know, with all the reviews that we've looked up and everything, they said that was pretty the normal.
Yeah. We had a bent wheel down here. I had to sort it out. This has got some dents right here. But this is just, you know, I mean, it's not a brand new Mercedes, right? All that really matters is, here's the thing, let's turn it on and see if it's smooth or does it do all kinds of weird stuff. Ready?
Ready, set, go.
Wow,
Look at that.
that's pretty smooth.
Imagine a chicken in there, and bloop, 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 all over the place. And all the feathers will be spit as soon as we put a live chicken, sorry. We seriously put a chicken in there.
Yeah, they gotta be dead first. Huh?
Dead chickens first.
All the feathers will dump out of here.
Out of there in that slot. But man, I can't wait to be a mother plucker.
Well, yeah.
This looks pretty awesome, honey. Thank you very, very much.
You're welcome, sweetie.
That was awesome.
It was all of us were plucking. That was
Yeah.
the big thing, you know. We'd invite people over to help us. Most people got the plucking job,
Yeah.
but you always had to help them. And they helped you. I mean, that's not how I meant it. I meant everybody had to be involved in that one particular job. So, because that was the most time consuming. Yeah, it's going to be a big game changer. Can't wait to use it. You?
Oh no. Okay, what chickens first?
I'm ready to do one tonight just to try it out.
Rooster? He makes the most
You
noise.
gotta spray water in here while you're doing this too, you know?
Yeah, spray water
Yeah. And
so it
then
won't get all clogged up.
there's probably a kit or something. You could just hook the hose up and have a valve right here and it'll spray in all over. So right on. We're good to go.
Awesome. One more look around. Look at that.
That's a Pro Plucker from Rite Farm Products. I'm out.